All right, we're out here. Massive snowstorm again. We had a snow day. We're just going in, trying to lock in some tricks right now, and we're gonna get a game of POW going. So that should be fun. You excited?
Yeah.
Big POW. Yeah. All right, Cheesy, what's going on?
All right, so we're building our jump. We're making it a little bigger so that Will and I can huck threes off of it.
For the game of POW, baby.
That's what I'm saying, Dougie.
Yeah. Alright, what's up guys? We're finally getting the game of POW going. We're going to use a random number generator to figure out who's calling the first trick. I'm 1, Cheesy's 2, Will's 3. Let's see what we got.
Pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Sure. 1.
1.
Hey! First trick of the day, calling a board slide to switch. Let's get her going. Alright, I just got that first trick. You know, it wasn't really clean, but we're gonna be pretty lenient today with the rules. Just You got it.
All right, we're calling front side 270 out.
Alright,
you didn't do it.
Will, you're up. What are you calling?
On a 180 on, and you have to go all the way.
All the way.
It's just...
Alright, my next trick, I'm just gonna be doing a fat 180 off the jump.
Fat. It's a land.
Alright, Will, what are you calling?
I'm gonna grab 180.
Grab 180.
Whoa. We're calling Rall Gap with a full grab required.
Alright.
This is gonna be like super massive.
Okay.
Except the... That's a shifty. That was a shifty. Alright, well you failed.
Next trick is just a simple 50-50, front one off. Or back one for Will, I don't really care what he does.
Oh, clean, alright. Oh! Alright. I'm calling a switch 180 off the jump. Yeah! He's going slow. How to just throw a jump 101?
I can.
Oh. See?
We're gonna get revenge on the 2-7 out.
Oh.
It's good, end it here. Front 3.
Getting cocky. Oh, I see. Hands, nope.
I just had that front 3 attempt. I was okay, but the boys are saying it's a no-go, doesn't count, so we're moving on. Hand touch the ground, I guess. Alright, what are you calling this time, Cheesy?
Another run at my 2-7 out.
Alright, let's get it!
Yeah! Urban on board slide. Yeah. Nope.
Alright, so for this trick we're doing just a normal board slide and then back to regular.
And you want to... Oh!
Okay, going a 180 grab here. We'll never tried this trick before, but that's what the game of POW is for, I guess.
I'm following Matt's steps and grab 180.
Get out the shot!
Alright.
That was grab.
Oh.
I saw no grab.
That was close.
I saw.
Ah! That was actually really scary. All right, how do you feel?
There goes the game.
There's the game. All right, Cheesy's been eliminated from the game, so it's just me and Will. Current leaderboard, Will's at PO, I'm at P. My next trick, I'll be calling a nose grab.
Urban board slide. You don't have to go all the way though.
All right.
Whoa!
All right. Yeah! All right, I'm going 1 foot 50-50. I'll give it to him.
I'm calling a urban 50-50 one off.
Whoa! All right.
I'm going too slow.
Yeah. 50-50, 180 again.
All right.
Yeah.
You good?
Nope. What?
You all right?
I'm fine.
Oh. All right, we're just gonna call 3 again this time. It's okay if the hands touch the ground because that's why they've docked me off. So, it's okay. All right. Hey!
180, baby.
All right.
Game, boys.
That was an epic game, actually.
That was huge.
Capri's country roads take me home.